Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ankita's Management Hub. Today we will talk about central bank and its function. Central bank is a financial institution that is typically responsible managing country's money supply and controlling interest rate. Let's understand the function of the central bank. Central bank perform the various functions like bank of issues, banker's agent, custodian of a CRR, custodian of a foreign exchange, lender of a last resort, clearinghouse, control of a credit, and many more. Now, bank of issue. It regulates the country's money supply. Central bank keeps gold silver against it. Next, we have a banker's agent and advisor to the government. Central bank perform the function of receiving and making payment to the government, allocate loan to it, float public loans, maintains the banking accounts as well. Custodian of a cash reserves. Commercial bank of a country keep a part of their cash balance in the form of deposit with the central bank as a legal compulsion of a convention. They draw the cash balance during busy season and give them back during the low season. Custodian of foreign balances. Central bank is responsible for maintaining the exchange rate against the gold standard. Now, lender of a last resort. Central banks help the member banks to stand their cash reserve position by discounting their first class bill in emergency. Clearinghouse. If there is any dispute between banks, then central bank is come in between and maintain the harmony between banks. Now, protection of depositor interest. Central banks supervise the functioning of commercial banks, protect the interest of the depositor, and ensure the development of banking on a sound lines. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you find it relevant, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Stay tuned till the next time. Bye.